In this lesson, we're going to divide two decimal numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says divide 837.550 divided by 0.5. So let's remember that this is the dividend and this is the divisor. This is what you're dividing by, okay? So we could rewrite this using the division bar. And when you use the division bar, the dividend goes here underneath and the divisor goes out here. And the quotient is the answer we are trying to find, okay? So now let's rewrite the numbers in. So the divisor goes here, 0.5, and the dividend goes here, okay? Now, something you have to remember is you can't have a decimal in the divisor. Okay, very important. Can't have a decimal in the divisor. So what do we do about that? So what you have to do is you move the decimal over once to the right. Okay, move the decimal over once right. And because you've done that to the divisor, you have to do it to the dividend. So we have to move the decimal over once here as well, okay? So let's rewrite it now. So now we're left with 5 into 8375.50. So because we moved the decimal over, this becomes 5. And because we moved it over here, this becomes 8,375.5. Now we can start dividing. Remember to bring the decimal up to the quotient, okay? So line it up and make sure it goes right there, okay? Now, a handy tip is to have multiples of 5 ready. So multiples of what you're dividing by because it'll make it easier. So how many times does 5 fit into 8? We could start dividing now, okay? So 5 fits into 8 only once. It's not twice because that would be too much, right? So now we just have to follow this. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. So like we said, 5 fits into 8 once. Now we multiply. 5 times 1 equals 5. Next thing we do is subtract. So we're going to subtract 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Next thing we do is bring down. So we're going to bring this 3 down to meet this one here. There we go. Now we repeat. So now we go back here and divide. So 5 fits into 33 how many times? 6, right? 7 is too many. So now we multiply. 6 times 5 is 30. And the next thing we're going to do is subtract. So 33 minus 30 is 3. Now we bring down. We're going to bring down the 7 to meet this 3. Like that. So now we repeat. So go back. We're going to divide now. 5 fits into 37 7 times. Not 8 because 8 is too many. So now we multiply. 7 times 5 is 35. The next thing we do is subtract. 37 minus 35 is 2. Now we bring down. We're going to bring this 5 down to meet this 2. Like that. Now we repeat. So now we divide. 5 divided into 25 is 5. So now we multiply. 5 times 5 is 25. And then we subtract. 25 minus 25 is 0. So now we bring down the 5 to meet this 0. And then we repeat again. So we divide. 5 goes into 5 once, right? So now we multiply. 5 times 1, which is 5, and we subtract. So now we have just this 0 to bring down to meet this other 0. So 5 fits into 0, 0, and that's the end. So we're done. We don't we're finished with the long division portion. So now we can just fill in the answer here. The answer is 1675.10. And that's it. Like that's the whole problem. And don't worry, don't feel intimidated by this. You could just rewatch the video if you need a little bit extra time to review this. As well, if you take a look at the description, there's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson in there. You can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. There's actually a link in the ebook and it will take you right to this video and you can watch as you read the lesson. Thank you so much for listening and make sure to like and subscribe.